Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the JAUREE Tripod Clothes Drying Rack, a versatile and space-saving solution for your laundry needs. This portable drying rack is perfect for compact apartments or RVs, offering easy assembly and foldability, allowing you to store it effortlessly when not in use. With its sturdy and durable design, the JAUREE drying rack can support up to 154 pounds of garments, thanks to its 4 expandable arms and anti-rust coated stainless steel tubes that ensure long-lasting durability. The unique tripod structure provides excellent stability, and the rack's height is adjustable, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Plus, it comes with 20 windproof clips, so you can dry your clothes with peace of mind even in windy conditions. Setting up or folding the rack takes just 5 seconds, making it incredibly convenient to take on the go, whether you're heading to a hotel or camping. Remember to balance the weight on both sides for optimal stability, and rest assured that JAUREE stands by their product with a 1-year replacement guarantee, focusing on enhancing your customer experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.